Hi students, work hard, stay focused and make it happen. Good things never come from comfort zone. You follow my instruction from the chemistry, you will feel chemistry very easy. Now we are going to discuss about carboxylic acids. What is the meaning of carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid. Lot of acids are there. Mineral acid, organic acid, inorganic acid, and then carboxylic acids. The carboxylic acid all are organic acids. Mineral acid or inorganic acid can be obtained from minerals and rocks. So, for example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid, lot of inorganic acids are there. All inorganic acids are obtained from rock and minerals. All organic acids can be obtained from the living things of animals and plants. Now we are going to discuss about the organic acid. It means called carboxylic acids. What is the meaning of carboxylic acids? Carbon compound containing carboxylic group known as a carboxylic acid. Carbon compound. For example, methane CH4, ethane CH3, CH3, propane CH3, then CH2, CH3, methane, ethane, propane. Methane contains how many carbon? Only one carbon. Ethane contains how many carbon? 2 carbon. Propane contains how many carbon? Then 3 carbon. These compounds all are hydrocarbons because of those compounds which contain carbon. Hydrogen means the compounds known as a hydrocarbon. From the hydrocarbon, the carbon compound containing carboxyl group. What is the meaning of carboxyl group? One COOH group present in organic compounds known as a carboxyl group. So carbon compound containing COOH group known as a carboxylic acid. For example, HCOOH, HCOOH, CH3, then COOH, CH3, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH, then CH3, COOH, C6, H5, COOH, C6, H5, CH2, COOH. It is a phenyl acetic acid, benzoic acid, isobutyric acid, propanic acid, acetic acid, formic acids. These compounds all are carboxylic acid. So what is the meaning of carboxylic acid? Carbon compound containing carboxyl group, that means called COOH group known as a carboxylic acid. So what is the general formula of carboxylic acid? R1COOH. It is a general formula for carboxylic acid where R is alkyl group. Alkyl group, what is the example of alkyl group? Methyl, ethyl, propyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, secondary butyl, tertiary butyl, neopentyl, phenyl, benzyl, toluene. It is equal to R. These compounds all are equal to R. So general formula of carboxylic acid RCOOH. Functional group of carboxylic acid COOH. Carbon compound containing COOH group known as a carboxylic acids. The carboxylic acid which contain are composition of carbonyl group as well as a hydroxy group. What is meaning of carbonyl group? C double bond O bond. Carbon valency 4. 2 valency sets by any other atom. Another 2 valency sets by one oxygen atom known as a carbonyl group. It is a carbonyl group. Next, this carbonyl group directly attached with the OH group, that means called hydroxide group, hydroxy group. So carbonyl combined with the hydroxy known as a carboxy. So what is meaning of carboxylic acid? So combination of carbonyl group as well as a hydroxy group to form of a carboxyl group known as a carboxylic acid, which is this COOH group directly linked with the alkyl or arene carbon. So example of carboxylic acid, formic acid, acetic acid, propanic acid, isobutyric acid, benzoic acid and in the phenyl acetic acid. Lot of carboxylic acids are there. In the depend upon number of COOH group, the carboxylic acid also can be divided into two different type of carboxylic acids. One is a monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid. It is depend upon number of carboxyl group present in per molecule. Those molecules which contain only one carboxyl group known as a monocarboxylic acid, 2 carboxyl group known as a dicarboxylic acid, 3 carboxyl group known as a tricarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid, these compound all are example of monocarboxylic acid. Because of this compound contain only one COOH group, COOH, 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 COOH. Those compound which contain only one COOH group known as a monocarboxylic acid. Those compound which contain 2 COOH group known as a dicarboxylic acid. Example, CH3 or CH2, COOH, on CH2, then COOH. COOH on then COOH. CH2 COOH on then COOH. CH2 COOH on then CH2 COOH. CH2 COOH on then CH2 CH2 COOH. COOH on then CH2 4 times, then COOH. Next one, COOH on CH2 5 times, then COOH. Another one, COOH on CH2 6 times, then COOH. The next one, COOH on CH2 7 times, then COOH. COOH on CH2 8 times bond COOH. Number of carboxyl group. These compound all are which contain 2 carboxyl group. COOH, COOH. 1, 2, 1, 2. These compounds all are dicarboxylic acid. So what is the general formula of dicarboxylic acid? COOH bond CH2 n times bond COOH. It is a general formula of a dicarboxylic acid where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It is a general formula of dicarboxylic acid. Those compounds which contain only one COOH group known as a monocarboxylic acid. Those compounds which contain 2 COOH group known as a dicarboxylic acid. Those compounds which contain 3 COOH group known as a tricarboxylic acid. Example, CH2COOH bond C, COOH bond CH2COOH bond OH. It is a citric acid. Citric acid found in citrus fruit. These compounds all are dicarboxylic acid. These compounds tricarboxylic acid because of these compound contain how many COOH group? 3 COOH group. It is a tricarboxylic acid. These are dicarboxylic acid. These compounds are monocarboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid classified in different type. It is depend upon number of carboxyl group present in per molecule. Those compounds which contain only one carboxyl group known as a monocarboxylic acid. Those compounds which contain 2 COOH group known as a dicarboxylic acid. Those compounds which contain a 3 COOH group known as a tricarboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid further divided into 2 types. One is aliphatic carboxylic acid and one is aromatic carboxylic acid. It is depend upon nature of alkyl or aryl group bonded with carbon carboxyl group. Nature of alkyl group. For example, CH3, another one C6H5. CH3, C6H5. CH3 were named as the methyl. C6H5 were named as the phenyl. Methyl. Methyl group directly bonded with COH. Phenyl group bonded with COOH. It is a aliphatic carboxylic acid. It is aromatic carboxylic acid because of methyl groups are aliphatic group. That's why CH3COH known as a aliphatic carboxylic acid. It means called acetic acid. C6H5COH aromatic carboxylic acid because of the COH group directly bonded with aromatic benzene ring. So carboxylic acid divided into 2 types. One is aliphatic carboxylic acid and one is aromatic carboxylic acid. It is depend upon nature of the alkyl or aryl group directly bonded with carboxyl group. Another one, higher number of aliphatic carboxylic acid known as fatty acids. Higher number of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid. Higher number of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid known as fatty acids. In the carbon number, in the 12 to 18 carbon contain compounds all are fatty acids. These fatty acids only found in glyceryl triester. Ester form of glycerol known as a glyceryl triester or glyceride. Triester of glyceride. Triester of glyceride is a simple formula CH2OCOR1 CH2OCOR1 CH2OCOR. R equal to C15H31 or R equal to C17H35 or in an R equal to C17H36. C15H31, C17H33, C in the 17H35, C15H31, C17H33, C17H35. It is a palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid contain alkyl group. Palmitic acid. Palmitic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid contain alkyl R group. In the R, in the R group which is equal to C15H31 in palmitic acid. What is the general formula for palmitic acid? C15H31 COOH. It is a formula for palmitic acid. What is the formula for oleic acid? C17H33 in then COOH. And then what is the formula for in then stearic acid? C17H35 COOH. It is a formula for palmitic acid, oleic acid and stearic acid. In the palmitic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid contain alkyl group equal to C15H31, C17H33, C17H35. These alkyl groups are present in glyceryl triester. CH2OCOR, R equal to this group. CHOCOR, the R alkyl group equal to in this group. CH2OCOR, the R group present in this group. So in the compound contain more than 12 carbon. So carbon number 12 to 18 contain longest, highest carbon atom of in the monocarboxylic acid known as fatty acids. The fatty acids only found as a glyceryl triester form of glycerol compounds. It is a classification of carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid mainly classified two types. One is aliphatic carboxylic acid and one is aromatic carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acid which contain alkyl group bonded with COOH group. Aromatic carboxylic acid which contain R which is equal to aromatic ring, that means called benzene ring, directly bonded with COOH group. Next one, in the longest carbon chain of monocarboxylic acid known as fatty acids. These fatty acids only found as a ester form of glycerol, that means called glyceryl triester. This is a form of R which is equal to C15H31, C17H33, C17H35 is the R. Again, in the carboxylic acid classified in three types, it is depend upon number of carboxyl group present in per molecule. These molecules which contain only one carboxyl group known as a monocarboxylic acid. These molecules all are contain two carboxyl group known as a dicarboxylic acid. These compound, that means called citric acid, which contain totally 3 COOH group known as a tricarboxylic acid. So monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid can be derived from the alkane or hydrocarbon which contain 1 or 2 or 3 hydrogen replaced by COOH group. 1 COOH group means monocarboxylic acid, 2 COOH group dicarboxylic acid, 3 COOH group tricarboxylic acid. Next one, we are going to discuss about in the nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. The common name of carboxylic acid can be derived from the source, those compounds which are obtained from the laboratory, so who is synthesized by scientist name. So is the common name of carboxylic acid can be derived from the individual source. IUPAC name of carboxylic acid can be derived from simple formulae. What is the simple formula of the in the nomenclature of carboxylic acid? First one, prefix. First mention the prefix. Next one, root word. Another one, primary suffix. In then secondary suffix. It is a simple rule for nomenclature of carboxylic acid. prefix, it is a substituent group. Root word, number of carbon atom present in per molecule, especially longest carbon chain include functional group known as a root word. Longest carbon chain include functional group known as a root word. Primary suffix, ane, ene, ine. Carbon carbon single bond means in the primary suffix indicated by A and E. Carbon carbon double bond present in molecule in the primary suffix indicated by E and E. Carbon carbon triple bond present in per molecule or in this molecule in the primary suffix indicated by Y and E. So alkane means A and E, alkene E and E, alkyne Y and E. It is a primary suffix. Next one, secondary suffix. Main functional group of carboxylic acid can be indicated by using of secondary suffix. What is a secondary suffix in name of carboxylic acid? What is the secondary suffix in name of carboxylic acid? In then ane from the alkane, ene from the alkene, ine from the alkyne can be replaced by oic acid. Oic acid known as a secondary suffix. So prefix is a substituent group. Root word, number of carbon atom present in a carboxylic compound. It means called the longest carbon chain include functional group. Another one, primary suffix indicated by ane, ene, ine. Carbon carbon single bond, carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon triple bond indicated by ane, ene, ine respectively. Secondary suffix can be derived from ane, ene, ine contain terminal E replaced by oic acid. It is a simple rule of IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. That compound contains totally how many carbon? Only one carbon. One carbon means what? Root word, meth. Meth plus ane, root word meth. In the primary suffix ane because of carbon carbon single bond. Primary suffix ane. Secondary suffix oic acid. So meth, ane, oic acid, methanoic acid. This compound can be named by methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Next one, CH3COOH. This compound contains totally how many carbon? 2 carbon. 2 carbon can be indicated by root word eth. Eth. Carbon carbon single bond only present in this molecule. That's why in the carbon carbon single bond of saturated compound indicated by ane. So root word eth, primary suffix ane, secondary suffix oic acid, eth, ane, oic acid, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Next one, this compound contains totally how many carbon? 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. 3 carbon means root word, prop. Primary suffix is ane. Primary suffix ane. Propane. In the secondary suffix oic acid. E replaced by oic acid. That means called propanoic acid. Methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. Meth word indicated by 1 carbon, eth word indicated by 2 carbon, prop word indicated by 3 carbon. Next one, the compound contains totally 4 carbons are there. But parent chain, what is the totally how many carbon in parent chain? 1, 2, 3 carbon only present in parent chain. In second carbon directly bonded to one methyl groups are there. In the methyl group were indicated by prefix. So methyl is a prefix. Parent chain 3 carbon. Parent chain 3 carbon means a root word prop. So 2 methyl is a prefix. Root word prop. Primary suffix ane. Secondary suffix oic acid. So this compound named by 2 methyl. Root prefix 2 methyl. Prefix 2 methyl. In the total how many carbon in parent chain? 3 carbon. 3 carbon indicated by root word prop. These compound contain carbon carbon single bond only. So primary suffix is ane, A-N-E, ane. Secondary suffix carboxylic acid indicated by oic acid. So E replaced by oic acid. So 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl prefix, prop number of carbon, ane primary suffix, oic acid secondary suffix. So in this compound named by 2-methyl propanoic acid. Here C6H5 common name benzoic acid. C6H5 phenyl group. It is a phenyl. COOH only one carbons are there. One carbon contain acid can be indicated by methanoic acid. That hydrogen replaced by phenyl group known as phenyl methanoic acid. This compound named by phenyl methanoic acid. Phenyl methanoic acid. Phenyl methanoic acid. Next one, it is a phenyl group. C6H5 aromatic benzene ring, otherwise called phenyl group. Remaining how many carbon in side chain? 2 carbon. 2 carbon can be indicated by eth. So CH2COOH can be named by ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. It is a phenyl group. Phenyl ethanoic acid. It is indicated by phenyl ethanoic acid. Phenyl ethanoic acid. These compounds all are dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid in simple name indicated by dioic acid, alkane dioic acid. Alkane dioic acid. Alkane dioic acid. It is oxalic acid, succinic acid. In this simple, these dicarboxylic acids are simply represented by OMSGAPSAS. Ohms का PSAS. Ohms का PSAS. O stands for oxalic acid, M stands for malonic acid, S stands for succinic acid, G stands for glutaric acid, A adipic acid, P malic acid, subberic acid, acylic acid, sebacic acid. It is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. It is a malonic acid. Malonic acid. Succinic acid. Succinic acid, common name. Next one, glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Next one, adipic acid. Adipic acid. The next one, adipic acid. Next one, P malic acid. Adipic acid, oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid, P malic acid. It is a P malic acid. Next one, subberic acid. Acylic acid. It is acylic acid. Next one, sebacic acid. Sebacic acid. Yes. Acylic acid. A. Subberic acid. Yes. P malic acid. P. Adipic acid. A. Glutaric acid is G. Succinic acid. Yes. Malonic acid. M. Oxalic acid. O. Ohms का PSAS. Oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid, P malic acid, subberic acid, acylic acid, then sebacic acids. It is all are dicarboxylic acids. The dicarboxylic acid in the IUPAC name can be indicated by dioic acid. This compound contain totally how many carbon? 2 carbon. 2 carbon means what? Alkane, ethane dioic acid. This compound then nomenclature by totally how many carbons are there? 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Totally how many carboxyl groups are there? 2 carboxyl group. COOH. It is a dioic acid. Totally how many parent carbon? 1, 2, 3 carbons are there. So 3 carbon means a propane dioic acid. From this compound, totally how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means a butane. It is a butane 1,4 dioic acid. It is a butane 1,4 dioic acid because of the 2 COOH group present in first and fourth carbon only. That means called 1,4 dioic acid. Totally how many carbon? 4 carbon. So butane 1, 4 dioic acid. It is a pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a pentane 1, 5 dioic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a hexane 1, 6 dioic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a heptane. Heptane 1, 7 dioic acid is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. It is a octane 1, 8 dioic acid. It is a nonane 1, 9 dioic acid. It is a decane 1, 10 dioic acid. These compounds all are dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid can be indicated by number of carbon in parent chain. Then COOH group present in what carbon? Is the number of carbon 2, so ethane dioic acid. In number of total number of carbon 3, propane dioic acid. In total number of carbon 4, butane. But in the COOH group present in adjacent carbon, no, first carbon and fourth carbon. So first carbon contains COOH group, fourth carbon also contains COOH group. So totally 4 carbon butane. So 1, 4 dioic acid. It is a pentane 1, 5 dioic acid. It is a hexane. Totally 6 carbons are there. 4 CH2 group, 4 CH2 group. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 CH2 groups are there. COOH, 2 COOH groups are there. So totally 6 carbon. That's why in this compound were named as the hexane 1, 6 dicarboxylic acid, dioic acid. It is a totally 7 carbons are there. And then heptane 1, 7 dicarboxylic acid. This compound contain totally 8 carbons are there. So 1, 6 dioic acid is an octane 1, 8 dioic acid. This compound contain totally 9 carbons are there. So nonane 1, 9 dicarboxylic acid. This compound contain totally 10 carbons are there. So decane 1, 10 dicarboxylic acid. It is a IUPAC and a common name of monocarboxylic acid and dicarboxylic acid. Next one, we will discuss about the structure of carboxyl group.